Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Zerion app to track all your transactions and investment. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Alright, the contract address of Wiki Cat will be in the description. Now let's dive right into the tutorial. So Zerion is a non-custodial wallet, and it's actually used for managing your portfolio or your wallet. So if you are a DeFi trader, that have funds in your wallet distributed across several protocols and platforms, right? This tool is a very useful one, as it helps you to monitor and oversee all your investment in just one app, right? So I'm going to be showing you real quick how to use the Zerion app. So first off, we'll launch Mrs. Browser. Okay, so next we'll head over to Zerion. Select track portfolio. Verify. Okay, so you have to connect the wallet you'd like to monitor or manage. So I'll be connecting my MetaMask wallet. So my wallet is successfully connected, and that was so fast. I believe it's because I have connected this wallet before to the Zerion app. All right, so you can see the assets I have currently in my wallet. You can see the total value of assets in my wallet. So this is like my dashboard that shows the total value of assets in my wallet. And also there's a graph here that shows my performance, right, in the last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, in different time frames, right? Okay, so you can also check out the NFTs that you have in your wallet. As you can see, I currently do not have any NFT in this wallet. And then when you come to history, you would see all the transactions that you have performed on this wallet. The funds received and funds sent out, and to what account or from what account. So that's pretty much the stuff that you can actually monitor on the Zerion app. If you have like an open position, unfortunately I do not have. If you have like an open position, say in a protocol or in a platform, you'll be able to see the value of assets that you have in that position, the size of the position, and some relevant information. So this is a very useful tool for my DeFi guys. You might have probably thrown your money in a protocol and forgot that you even have some money in a protocol. So with an app like this, you are able to you're able to discover where all the money in your wallet is locked. So another very interesting thing that you can do with this app is you can also monitor other people's wallet. You can see what is going on other people's wallet. You can see the value of assets in their wallet. You can see their NFTs. You can see their positions. You can see the histories, in their wallet. So I'm going to show you how to actually go about that before we come to the end of this tutorial. So select the search icon and then just paste the wallet that you want to monitor and select. All right, so there you have it, someone else's wallet, right? So you can see all the assets that are in this wallet. You can monitor the performance of this wallet in the last days, month, and year. You can also see the NFTs that this wallet has. You can see the transaction history of this wallet. So I'm having to look at someone else's wallet and see how much I've gone in and out of their wallet, right? So the thing is, you can only view this information. You cannot edit or make alterations to this information, meaning that you can't tamper with the funds that you're seeing. You can't send out funds in this wallet or tamper with anything in this wallet, right? This is a view only. You can only view stuff in this wallet. So you can also add this wallet to your watch list, or you can add the wallet to one of your wallets, right? But then, like I said, it's only you're only going to be able to view. You can't do anything other than just viewing and seeing these informations. The same thing for the wallet that was originally connected, right? You cannot send fund or make any changes to the wallet on the Zerion app. Remember, it's a non-custodial app, so meaning that it doesn't hold your funds, and so you cannot do anything to the funds that you see displayed here. So I can decide to add this wallet as one of my wallets, or I can decide to add to my watch list, so that whenever I want to monitor this wallet, I will not always have to impute the wallet address and then search, right? So I can just add to my wallets. All right, so I've added this wallet to my wallet. If I check here, you'll see I now have 2 wallets connected to the Zerion app as my wallet, and I can switch from one wallet to the other, you know, whenever I want to monitor or manage any of them. So we've come to the end of the tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial video. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please drop your questions in the comment section. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you are notified once we drop a new video. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you in another tutorial. Bye.